Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'll show you how to make every time a perfect poached egg. This is not so complicated like it seems, so it's just a few trials and you'll get there and you'll be an expert. Make sure to watch this video until the end because I'm going to show you some tips and tricks how to make it perfect every time. So let's get started. So first tip before starting, to have a perfect poached egg, you need to organize your workspace. You need to make sure that everything that you will use in the recipe, it's at your hand. So this was first tip. The second tip that you have to make sure is to have organic, fresh eggs from the fridge. Because if the eggs are not in the fridge, they will not hold the egg white so nicely. So you will have all these like egg whites around the poached egg. So these were the two main tips, and I'm going to show you throughout the video as well some of the tips that I've learned through the process of making a perfect poached egg. So to make the perfect poached egg, we will need quite like deep pot. So you need to make sure that you have like the water inside, it's about 4 fingers, just like this. You will need a spatula to remove the eggs. You'll need a spoon to make the whirl, and most important, yes, as well, the whirl makes the perfect poached egg. It helps basically to form that perfectly round shape. We will need the vinegar, about 30 ml for 2 liters of water. And yes, the vinegar helps for the poaching eggs, and it doesn't have any taste or any smell at all on the actual poached egg. A ramekin or just a glass, whatever you have around, we will crack the egg inside, just like this. Why do we need a ramekin or a glass? It's to ensure that your egg yolk is full there, it's not cracked, and you see basically how it's your egg white as well. So if you've noticed, I have this like orangish egg yolk. I chosen the freshest organic eggs that I could. So this is my advice to you as well. As well, you need like a measuring cup for the vinegar, just regular vinegar by the way, and in a plate on a side, on a bowl actually, on a side, make sure to have ice water. So before starting poaching the egg, let's boil the water. The heat here literally doesn't matter. You can do it as fast as you can basically, just to make it boiled as soon as fast. So in the moment when the water boils, add the vinegar, 30 ml for 2 liters of water. I have noticed that this helps actually for the egg to hold together. So when it started to boil, reduce the heat to low. In one hand have the egg prepared, and with the other hand just make with the spoon swirls. Just about 10 times, just like this, to make this well in the middle. And carefully place the egg right in the middle. Increase just a bit the heat and let it simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. So after 3 to 4 minutes, it's entirely up to you how you would like the egg yolk to be. So I like it like 3.5 minutes. So if you just be careful, it's very hot, yes. Just like it's bouncing back a bit. Transfer the egg into the ice water to stop the cooking process. If you leave it just in the hot water, or you remove it and just leave it like this, the cooking process will continue and you will not have that perfect runny yolk anymore. So if you see like the egg is not perfect, with kitchen scissors, just trim around those edges. So now you have the perfect poached egg. You'll make it a few times and you'll be the expert. So this was my way of how to make poached egg, perfect poached egg every time you are planning to. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to ask any questions if you have any in the comments below. Like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday a new and interesting recipe. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.